In this step-by-step tutorial, you will learn how to create a hidden secret drive on Windows 11 to securely store your private files without using any third-party software. First of all, you need to create a virtual hard disk. Go to File Explorer, click on this PC. I will store a virtual hard disk in my data drive D. Make a folder here, name data, and I will store my virtual hard disk in this folder. Close File Explorer, right click on Start menu, click on Disk Management. In Disk Management, click on Action tab, then click on Create VHD. Select the location, click on Browse, select Data Drive D, double click on Data folder, and then type the file name, virtual hard disk file. Now click on Save. Here assign the virtual hard disk size, select GB, and I am creating a virtual hard disk in 20 GB size. In virtual hard disk format, select VHDX. It supports virtual hard disks larger than 2040 GB in size. And virtual hard disk type, select dynamically expanding, then click on OK. The virtual hard disk has been created. Right click on the newly created disk 2, then click on Initialize disk. The disk 2 is selected and select GPT GUID partition table, then click on OK. The virtual hard disk is online now. On unallocated area, right click and then click on New Simple Volume. Click on Next. I will make a single partition, so I don't need to change size here. Click on Next. Assign drive letter. By default, H is selected. I'm not going to change. Click on Next. And file system is NTFS. Allocated unit default. And volume label. Type the volume label. Sys underscore vol. Next. Then click on Finish. The virtual hard disk creation is finished. Minimize disk management. Go to File Explorer. Click on this PC. And you will find your virtual hard disk is here. Open the virtual hard disk and store your private data. I am copying some data and store here. Go one step back. Now I want to encrypt this drive with BitLocker. Right click on it and click on Turn on BitLocker. Select Use a password to unlock this drive. Enter the password. Re-enter your password for confirmation. Click on Next. How you want to backup your recovery key? You will find here 4 options. I am selecting Print the recovery key and select here Microsoft Print to PDF. Then click on Print and save the recovery key in your suitable location. I am saving in Documents. Type the name and click on Save. Then click on Next. Here you will find 2 options: Encrypt used disk space only and Encrypt entire drive. Select Encrypt disk space only. It will faster and best for new PC and drives. Click on Next and New Encryption Mode, best for fixed drive. Select it and then click on Next and then click on Start Encrypting. And you will find a lock icon. It indicates this drive is encrypted with BitLocker. Now close File Explorer. Open Disk Management again. Now you need to hide this encrypted drive. The simple way is to detach the virtual hard disk from Disk Management. Right click on Disk 2 and click on Detach VHD. Then click on OK. Your secure drive is not showing here. Close Disk Management. Open File Explorer again. Go to this PC and your newly created drive is not showing here. It's hidden. Whenever you need to access this hidden and secure drive, just right click on Start menu, click on Disk Management, click on Action and then click on Attach VHD and then browse location. Go to data drive and data folder, then select the volume, click on open, click on OK, and you will find your encrypted secure disk is here. And go to File Explorer and you will find your secure drive is here in File Explorer. In this way, you can create a secret hidden drive on Windows 11 computer. That's it.